Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Suchita Malpe, your science teacher. I would like to welcome you all in yet another virtual session of teaching learning process. Let's start our day with a quote given by Mahatma Gandhi ji. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Health is the biggest wealth in life. It brings in desired happiness, enjoyment, and pleasure. Gold and silver become priceless when we compare with price of health. Good health enables us to face all the challenges of life. So children, have you got the importance of health? Yes, we are going to learn more about health and various diseases in lesson number 2. Under Can You Recall section, let us discuss 3 questions. Have you ever taken leave from school due to sickness? Yes, you might have taken leaves from the school due to sickness. When there is a feeling of illness, we have to take leave from the school. Question number 2. What happens exactly when we become sick? When we become sick, there is disturbance in the normal health. There is some pain in the body. One may get fever. There is headache or cough and cold. Sometimes the digestion is improper, resulting into loose motions. In this way, we may get uncomfortable feelings. Question number 3. Sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Why is it so? Some illnesses can be treated at home with household remedies. Even if there is infection, it can be cured within a short period of time. But some of the illnesses are severe and they cannot be cured in such a way. Thus, a doctor's advice and treatment is required. And with doctor's consultation and regular medicines, then there is a relief. Basic conditions for good health. We should take proper, balanced, and nutritious diet. Personal hygiene should be maintained. We should keep our environment and surroundings clean. We should be able to breathe in healthy air. Air should not be polluted. We must exercise regularly. Proper rest is required. Our standard of living and economic status should be such that we can fulfill all basic conditions required for good health. Definition of health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. It means that we should be physically fit, mentally strong, and socially fit so as to enjoy life to the fullest. Good health doesn't mean only absence of any disease. If healthy mind resides in healthy body, then life will become happy and enjoyable. What is disease? Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. So let us understand what are the physiological processes. You all know, children, that tissues are made from cells. These tissues make up physiological systems or organ systems that carry out body functions. Each of the organ systems has specific organs as its parts and it has particular function to do. So, the digestive system has the stomach and intestines and it helps to digest food taken in from outside the body. But if there is disturbance in the functioning of digestive system, symptoms will appear. For example, stomach ache, loose motion, headache, etc. When there is a disease, either the functioning or appearance of one or more system of the body will change and it may get worse. So these changes give rise to symptoms and signs of disease. Symptoms of disease are the things we feel as being wrong. So we have a headache, we have cough, we have loose motions, we may have wound with pus. These, these are all symptoms. This indicates that there may be a disease, but they don't indicate what the disease is. For example, a headache may mean just examination stress, or very rarely it may mean meningitis or any one of a dozen different diseases. So headache is a common symptom. And what do you mean by sign? Sign of the disease are what physician will look for on the basis of symptoms. Signs will give a little more definite indication of the presence of a particular disease. Physicians will also get laboratory tests done to pinpoint the disease further. Disease. Disease, the word disease has two small words. Dis, one word is dis and another word is ease. Means there is discomfort in the easiness of our body, or there is discomfort in the smooth functioning of our body. And when there is a disturbance or discomfort in the smooth functioning of our body, this state refers to condition of disease. So one or more systems of body will change, give rise to symptoms. Just now we discussed in previous slide what are symptoms and what are the signs. Symptoms are listed here. For example, cough, loose motion, pus formation, headache, fever, breathlessness, vomiting, fits, unconsciousness, inflammation, swelling, and general effects. And a doctor looks for the basis of symptoms, and then he decides the line of treatment. We will study classification of diseases in next video.